welcome back to my channel. My name is Gwen. If you're new here, I do videos pretty much about anything beauty, fashion, DIYs, vlogs, pretty much everything that I find interesting. In this video, I'm going to be unboxing a new bag. Now, I just received it in the mail, and this is super excited. I've purchased last week and it came really fast. This is from Polène. Hope I'm saying that right. I think it's Polène or Polène. It could be either or. And it came in this cute little box right here. It took about, I'll say, I ordered it on Thursday, came on like Tuesday, so it took about less than 5 days to send. I feel like if I had ordered it on like a Monday, it came earlier. So I'm going to unbox it so we can check it out. Now I ordered the Cognac color, and I've been seeing this bag. Like the popular ones is of course the camel one, but I decided to get this color because I don't have anything this color, and I'm really hoping it is a dark brownish color. Personally, to me, it depends on the lighting. Some of the pictures I've seen, it looks really red. I'm like, it's not super red. So, it comes in this cute bag. I got the Numero, which is like the mini size, the super small one. I've been so into mini bags, so I cannot wait. So it comes in this beautiful, this is a really cute box. This white box, it says Numero 1, and then it says Polène, or Polène, I think it's Polène. So let's open it up and see. I'm like, I've been waiting so I'm able to look decent to film this. So inside is a card that says Polène, and then she's holding the bag I just ordered, and she's holding it. So this is what the box is looking like inside. The straps, it's like a burgundy color. Looks really perfect. I'm really hoping we can get a brownish color. Most of my bags that I buy is black or nude, different bags. So it has a and then the beats of the mini size. Medium size and then like a regular. Just a little pocket here. What does it say? Made in Spain. So the leather is really good. And I got this the textured leather because I seriously want carefree handbags. Like, I want a handbag that I don't have to baby and worry about. So that is why I got this texture. But to be honest with you, I think I'm gonna go back and order the camel color and the smooth skin because I also like that color, but I already have like 3 bags of that color and I'm like, this is something different. It's really super cute. I'll probably leave it open like this. And I feel like this will hold everything I carry. Like, I'm very light in the things I carry. That's why I mostly buy small mini bags. I really hold my keys, my wallet, hand sanitizer, an extra mask, and lipstick, or like chapstick, to be honest with you. And like maybe sunglasses. I don't carry much, so I know for a fact that all of that would fit in there. Now I have a Givenchy Pandora box. So I'm gonna go grab that and we can compare like what they look like. So I just got this Givenchy bag. I'm not even sure if I'm pronouncing it right. And this is the Pandora box. I literally just bought this on Fashion File. I was looking into trying to get like the popular antique Polène bag. I think that's how you pronounce it, but I really was not a fan of that shape. And then I caught eyes on this one and I literally fell in love. And I feel like they look similar. So this is the Pandora box and it's in the textured calfskin as well. Then it has the zipper right here. So you can compare both of them. They're literally the same size. Oh my god. Perfect. As you can see, I have a certain style of bags that I love. So they're both pretty much have a top handle. They have straps. So they're pretty much the same length. Pretty much the same bag. Oh my gosh, I just realized that. The same width and the same
What we
length
do
as
here
well.
is go back.
Okay, that's so cute. This is why I was not trying to get black and nude. Comparison. But this one has a big jump. And as you can see, I'm already wearing red and burgundy, so this is literally a perfect bag. And this sits so nice right here. Wow, this is so cute. And of course, hold it. probably gonna take us in a different lighting to get
Thank you.